Okay, Friday night, semi-dress rehearsal. I can almost read it. Come on everybody, don't you want to scream? Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. When they try to say they were America's team, Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. Cause all across the United States, Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. They're the team that everybody hates. Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. On a Thursday night, a Monday night, or a Sunday, Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. We're going to root against them, whoever they play. Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. Cause Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. I wouldn't be a fan for $1 million. They stink more than 100 garbage trucks. The fans are dumber than hockey pucks. Jerry Jones looks like Donald Duck, and Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks, Dallas sucks. Dallas sucks. And since I can't sing, everybody's gonna have to sing along. No one likes us, no one likes us, no one likes us, we don't care. We're from Philly, fucking Philly. No one likes us, we don't care. No one likes us, no one likes us, no one likes us, we don't care. We're from Philly, fucking Philly. No one likes us, we don't care. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. Fly, Eagles, fly, score a touchdown, 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and watch the Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles. Ah.